Assalamu alaikum. How are you guys? I hope you all are doing well. Welcome to my channel Fine Arts by Hafsa. Today I have brought a wonderful watercolor painting for you. Also, before making the painting, it is important to have the material. We need watercolor papers, brushes and water. Now we start painting. First we will take light colors, then we will take dark colors and blend it well. Now our painting is complete. If you like it, please let me know in the comments and don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.